It has revolutionized our business. It's awesome. If you don't have to send a crew back out to do a job twice, it's a money saver right there. It's an amazing product. 6 years ago, we had some trouble with regular cold mix and decided to give Easy Street a try and haven't looked back. I really thought it wouldn't do what it was all hyped up to do, but it does. Pretty amazed with it. Easy Street is more expensive, but in the long run, it's really a cost savings because we don't have to go back and do it twice. We do it one time and it's done, and it's awesome. The time saving is great. It can be driven on, you can open the street back up. Hot mix, you cannot. Easy Street has allowed us to work in conditions that we wouldn't normally be able to. You can put it down if there is moisture on the ground. It's very workable. How's that sound? No matter what the temperature is. It sets up just exactly like it's supposed to. When it's the melting process for the snow, this stuff goes right in and works great. It's worked well in all conditions that we've used it in. The support they give us is fantastic. If we've ever had a problem, which is very rarely, they're on it. They take care of it right away. Even with the snow on top of it, we have no problem with it stockpiling. We don't have any problem with any clumping or anything of that nature. Even with the snow, it crusts over to protect it from the elements. We don't keep it that long. It's great. We go through it so fast, it's crazy.